From the franchise, I saw the issues with the trucks that we had there, and then I looked for, okay, what could make this better? And the JRA body on the trucks kind of has all those issues resolved, and that's why I ended up going with them. We had trucks without toolboxes. We would send guys out on junk routes without sawzalls, without haying trucks, without dollies. So overall, having the toolbox that can actually fit everything in it. The winch helps for heavy items, the ramp helps, and the double barn doors, the automatic tarps. We were going with trucks that didn't have an automatic tarp, and the tarp was ripped all the time, and the guys would literally have to climb on top of the roof of the cab, and then it would make a hole in the cab. When it rained, water would leak through it. So overall, just as a safety concern and also just efficiency, I want tarping the truck at the end of the job to be 5 seconds. I don't want it to take 10 minutes. It kind of hit all those points. Also wheelbarrow storage, trash cans. I never realized how powerful trash cans could be in the combination with garbage bags. Having all that storage on the truck makes the business more efficient. Also, your guys just a lot happier because they have the supplies they need.